My trip of Norway in a nutshell started from the city of Oslo, famous for gardens and historical buildings. I will be taking the train to Myrdal, then traveling on the scenic Flam railway, going on a cruise on a beautiful fjord, bus journey through scenic roads, and finally reaching the city of Bergen. The train started 40 minutes late due to a signaling problem at Oslo station. As we crossed the Oslo city, the beautiful landscape of Norway started appearing. The scenery changed continuously as we crisscrossed villages, towns, lakes, forests, fields, mountains, and farms. Everything looked beautiful. We passed through various small towns on our way to Myrdal, which provided a glimpse of the countryside of Norway. As the train gained altitude, the topography of the area changed. We started seeing snow, and it only increased as we climbed up. I think the maximum altitude reached was about 1200 meters, and there was snow everywhere. The train was passing in the middle of the snowfall. It was a unique experience for me. After about 4.5 hours of travel, we reached Myrdal, where we had to change to the Flam railway. We were late, but the train was waiting for us. It was snowing, and we quickly rushed towards the train. Flam line is a scenic railway between Myrdal, located at 867 meters above sea level, to Flam at 2 meters above sea level, covering a distance of 20 kilometers. Built in 1940s, it is an engineering marvel. We can see the valley from the opening of the tunnel. The train here makes a 180-degree turn, and the same view is seen from the other side too. One of the prominent landmarks in this route is the Voss waterfall. It is next to the railway line. The train stops and we have 5 minutes to go out and enjoy the beauty. The entire Flam railway route is beautiful. There are waterfalls everywhere, and the mountains look spectacular. We reached the village of Flam and rushed towards the cruise boat. The village of Flam looks beautiful. Unfortunately, due to the delay in the train, we could not spend much time in the village. It is a hybrid electric catamaran, a silent boat, a very comfortable one. It's a rainy day, but we still go out to enjoy the beauty of the place. It was so wonderful. The mountains, waterfalls, and the water body look stunning. The 2-hour boat ride ends and we reach Gudvangen. It is time to switch to the bus. Gudvangen is a village surrounded by mountains. Another beautiful place. While I had booked the train and cruise tickets online, I could not buy the bus ticket beforehand. It was not an issue as I could use my credit card and get the ticket on the bus. It is another scenic journey on the bus from Gudvangen to Voss train station. At Voss, we got down from the bus to take the train to Bergen. It was October and it was dark before the train started to Bergen. That was the end of one of the most beautiful journeys. Thanks a lot for watching this video. See you later.